Imagine a retreat that provides beautiful views of the surrounding mountains, tranquility, and a place for family gatherings. Set among the rolling hills of primarily rural farmland, access to Hudson Valley Residence II winds its way up a hillside to a front entry court on top of a ridge. Expansive glass paneling immediately draws attention to the home, while simultaneously framing the mountainous horizon beyond. In contrast to the vertical ascent and the massive verticality of the mountain range to the west, the home itself extends horizontally along the entirety of the ridge. Comprised of a series of utilitarian, simple-form buildings with a repetitive vertical rhythm, the home's elongated footprint is reminiscent of the long, low-lying characteristics of agricultural buildings that dot the surrounding regional landscape. In the evening, the home's external facade blends into its surrounding environment, while the interior comes to life like a carefully curated gallery. A warm glow emanates from pools of light within the larger volumes, creating focal points that extend beyond the spaces they occupy to greet visitors arriving from the external entry court.